Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Have you ever noticed how gardeners get busy with their trees and shrubs during winter? It might seem odd to prune when it's cold, but winter is actually the perfect time for this important gardening task. Why winter? Well, when it's cold, many trees and shrubs are dormant. They are resting and not growing. This makes winter pruning less stressful for them, and less messy for you. Pruning in winter also allows you to see the structure of your plants more clearly. Without all the leaves, you can easily spot branches that are crossing, crowded, or growing in the wrong direction. So, put on your warm coat and gloves, grab your tools, and let's get pruning. Before you start snipping away, let's gather the right tools. Having the correct equipment makes pruning easier and safer, both for you and your plants. First, you'll need a good pair of hand pruners or secateurs. These are perfect for cutting branches that are less than an inch thick. Look for bypass pruners, which cut with a scissor-like action, for a cleaner cut. For thicker branches, lopping shears are your friend. These have long handles that provide extra leverage. They can handle branches up to 2 inches thick. Finally, a pruning saw is essential for removing very large branches. Choose one with a blade that's designed for pruning live wood. Remember to keep your tools clean and sharp. This will help prevent the spread of diseases and make smoother cuts. Now that you have your tools, it's time to assess your plants. But what exactly are we looking for? Think of it like giving your plants a little health check. First, look for any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. These are easy to spot. Dead branches will be brittle and have no leaves. Diseased branches might have unusual growths or discolored bark. Next, check for branches that are rubbing together or crossing over each other. These can create wounds that invite pests and diseases. Finally, look for branches that are growing inwards towards the center of the plant. These can block sunlight and air circulation, which are essential for healthy growth. Section 4. Snip with skill. Mastering the art of the cut. Making the right cut is crucial for your plant's health. A bad cut can leave a wound that takes ages to heal and can even be an entry point for diseases. When pruning a branch, always cut just above a bud. The bud is where new growth will emerge. Look for a bud that's facing outwards in the direction you want the branch to grow. Angle your cut slightly away from the bud. This will help water run off the cut and prevent rot. Make a clean cut, avoiding any tearing or crushing of the branch. Remember, less is more when it comes to pruning. It's better to remove a few branches strategically than to hack away at your plants indiscriminately. If you're unsure, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Section 5. Pruning party special care for different plants. Just like people, different types of plants have different needs, and that goes for pruning too. Let's look at a few examples. Fruit trees often need the most pruning. The goal is to create a structure that lets in plenty of light and air, which helps the fruit ripen. You'll want to remove any branches that are growing vertically or towards the center of the tree. Flowering shrubs, on the other hand, might need different approaches depending on when they bloom. Spring blooming shrubs should be pruned after they flower, while summer blooming shrubs can be pruned in late winter or early spring. Evergreen shrubs like boxwoods and hollies generally need less pruning than deciduous shrubs. You can lightly shape them in late winter or early spring to maintain their desired shape. Remember, these are just a few examples. Always do a little research on the specific needs of your plants before you start pruning. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.